In this question, you have to choose the correct option that represents the composition of exoskeleton of arthropods. Option A, cellulose. It is incorrect. Cellulose is found in the cell walls of plants and some algae, not in the exoskeletons of arthropods. Option B, chitin. The exoskeleton of arthropods, such as insects, crustaceans, and spiders, is mainly composed of chitin, which is a polysaccharide that provides structural strength and protection. Hence, it is the correct answer. Option C, glucosamine. It is incorrect. Though glucosamine is a derivative of glucose and is a component of chitin, but it is not the primary material of the exoskeleton itself. Option D, cutin. Now, it is a waxy substance which is a lipid derivative found in the outer layer of plant cells, particularly in leaves and stems. It is not a part of exoskeleton of arthropods, hence it is incorrect.